This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headset via Bluetooth to your laptop. We'll start by ensuring your headset is ready for pairing, then guide you through enabling Bluetooth on your computer. Next, you'll learn to find and select your headset from the available devices. Finally, we'll cover some quick tips for resolving any common connection challenges, ensuring a smooth audio experience in just a few easy steps. First, make sure your Sony headset has sufficient battery life. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the power button for approximately 7 seconds. You should hear a voice prompt saying, Bluetooth pairing, indicating it's ready. Simultaneously, the indicator light will begin flashing blue and red alternately. This visual cue confirms your headset is now discoverable by other devices, preparing it for the next step in the connection process. Now, turn your attention to your laptop. Open the Settings menu, then click on Bluetooth and Devices. Ensure the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position. Next, select Add Device and wait for your Sony headset to appear in the list of available devices. Click on your headset's name to initiate the connection. A successful pairing will usually be confirmed by a voice prompt from your headset. If you encounter any issues, try these quick troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your Sony headset and your laptop. Sometimes, simply refreshing the devices can resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your headset isn't already connected to another device, like a phone or tablet. If problems persist, consider deleting any old pairings from both your headset and laptop, then attempt the connection process again from the beginning for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.